Now, with just $4 approximately, you have created one of the most powerful heaters in the world, known that other air conditioners cost thousands of dollars. Now I'm gonna measure the temperature with a thermometer I got, and I've put the thermometer here, and it has reached the temperature of the maximum temperature in the thermometer, which is 42 degrees, but the temperature now I'm holding is about maybe even 50 degrees or 60 degrees, which is very extremely amazing. Hello, in this video I will show you how to make the most powerful, smallest portable heater in the world. What you need to get is a power bank, a Peltier, you can buy it online, and a CPU cooler, you can buy it online or from any shop, and an adhesive. The Peltier is an invention that makes a cold surface and a hot surface once connected to electricity. Connect this Peltier to a USB plug, and the red wire and the black wire has to correspond the same wires in the USB plug. Do the same step to the CPU cooler fan connected to a USB plug. Now, the surface that has the writings is a cold surface. The surface without any writings is a hot surface. Now, connect the hot surface to the middle of the heatsink of the CPU cooler with an adhesive. Like this. Now the final step is to get a piece of cartoon and to cover the cold surface of the Peltier with an adhesive, like this. You're done. Now you have got two USB plugs, one of the Peltier and one of the CPU cooler. Now plug them both into the power bank. Now you have got the smallest, most powerful heater in the world that makes hot air. You can put it in your jacket or anywhere to avoid cold weather and to battle cold weather and survive in any country in the world. It is recommended to cover the top of the fan with wooden sticks or metals in order to prevent any accidents to the fan. I covered the fan with barbecue sticks and a glue. Now the final step is to cover the invention with a piece of sock so it can give more heat. Now it's portable and you can put it anywhere in your body to give convenient heat. Now, with just $4 approximately, you have created one of the most powerful heaters in the world, known that other air conditioners cost thousands of dollars. Now you have saved big money, and I'm very happy to help people and humans survive cold weathers. Long live my countries, and I wish all Earth welfare and success. Kind regards, Hosam Park.